Abundance Crystal Money Meditation. Wealth, luxury, and happiness. It is time to stir up the energy of abundance now. Grab your abundance crystals and join us in this quick and easy money mantra meditation. Before we begin, make sure that you are subscribed to the Satin Crystals channel so you do not miss out on all of your upcoming crystal meditations and your favorite gemstone videos. To prepare for your power meditation, all you need is your favorite abundance stones. We recommend aventurine, citrine, and jade, but there are many money stones to choose from, which you can find at Satin Crystals. Wear them, hold them, or have them around you as you meditate. Find a comfortable spot in your home, in your garden, or if you're at work, put on your earphones and power meditate through your break. Welcome to the world of abundance. You desire richness. You are ready to release financial struggles and a poverty mindset because you prefer a comfortable lifestyle free from stress and worries. Begin by closing your eyes and taking 3 deep breaths. With each inhale, imagine wealthy energy floating into your system. And with each exhale, imagine patterns of fear and struggle being released from your mind. Believe in your ability to be abundant here in this life on this earth. Now continue to breathe. Let your body relax and fill your aura with the color of prosperity, whatever colors that may be. You are here today because money is your friend. Harness the giving energy of the abundance crystals that you have chosen for this meditation. They are like money magnets, continually pulling cash into your aura. Money, 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 it is all yours. For the next few minutes, you are going to live money, breathe money, and think money. You are going to hear 7 money positive mantras. After you hear me say each positive affirmation, you will repeat it either out loud or silently, but confidently to yourself. We will recite each mantra 3 times. Let's begin. Abundance is my birthright. Now repeat it to yourself. Abundance is my birthright. Abundance is my birthright. Number 2. I believe and I receive. I believe and I receive. I believe and I receive. Number 3. My abundance crystals point the way to prosperity. My abundance crystals point the way to prosperity. My abundance crystals point the way to prosperity. Number 4, financial freedom is attainable because where there is a will, there is a way. Financial freedom is attainable because where there is a will, there is a way. Financial freedom is attainable because where there is a will, there is a way. Number 5, I have a positive relationship with money. It is my best friend. I have a positive relationship with money. It is my best friend. I have a positive relationship with money. It is my best friend. Number 6, I trade my poverty mindset for a money mindset. I trade my poverty mindset for a money mindset. I trade my poverty mindset for a money mindset. And number 7, I trust in the universe to provide for me as I walk the path of light. I trust in the universe to provide for me as I walk the path of light. I trust in the universe to provide for me as I walk the path of light. How do you feel now? Do you feel cheap and skimpy, or empowered and prosperous? The money mindset can be achieved instantly by some people, but most of us, it's a work in progress. The more positive thoughts you have about money, the larger the rewards. And guess what? There's no limit. So make it a habit to practice abundance affirmations every single day. Be it in a power session as this, or simply as you walk through the park thinking good thoughts. Now it's time to amplify your money magnetism. Let your creative mind think of a financial scenario that makes you happy. What is one of your goals with money? What would you achieve once you had that money? Find the answer and begin to visualize. One example might be you imagine a world vacation. Another, a life in early retirement. Or perhaps that dream car you'll soon be buying with your newfound wealth. Think of a money positive image now and discover what it feels like to easily afford your dreams. Now keep the feelings of abundance swirling in your aura as we wrap up this power meditation with additional positive thoughts. Hold on tight to your abundance crystals as you listen to these truths. Money is a human creation, and I am a human being who benefits from money. Perhaps I was told that money is the root of all evil, and I was afraid of money in the past. But as of today, I know better, and I do better. I don't work for money. Money is here to serve me. I give, I receive, and I believe. I take the right actions that lead me to prosperity. Only I define what a rich life is to me, and I am the one who creates it. You are now ready to put your new positive money mindset to action. As you return back to the physical world, these thoughts won't fade. They will only grow stronger and stronger with each money positive step that you take, and with each money positive thought that you create. You are abundance. Now I'll count from 1 to 5, and at the number 5, you will be awake, inspired, and feeling totally connected to the flow of universal abundance. Hold on to your abundance crystals so you have the feeling and the reminder of your money goals wherever you go through all of your days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes and awaken into the new world of an abundant you. After the meditation, you may feel as though you're still floating in a natural high. This power meditation is fast but intense. Slowly reintegrate back into the physical world by drinking a glass of water and holding your favorite earth grounding stones like Mochi marbles, obsidian, or tourmaline. Next, reflect upon your experience. Share your thoughts and feelings and visions either with yourself in a journal or with others if you are doing a group meditation. Thank you for joining the guided meditation, this power meditation for abundance. I hope it has inspired you and that you will go forward with a positive money mindset. Come back to this meditation as often as you can, as we all constantly need reminders to stay on the path of abundance. To add to your abundance crystal collection, join us at Satin Crystals. We have a whole collection of abundance stones and jewelry waiting for you. Also, join the Satin Crystals VIP Club. It's fast, easy, free, and we will send out crystal healing information to you every single week. Thank you for your positive presence here at Satin Crystals, and thank you always for joining us and spreading your positive energy throughout the world.